everyone, welcome to my channel Success Graph. I am Sheenam Sachdeva. If you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of the new videos on my channel. In this video, we will study a new topic, cumulative frequency curve or Ogive curve. This word has In this video, we will study a new topic, cumulative frequency curve or ogive curve. Some people pronounce it as ogive and some call it as ogive. So it has two methods, less than method and more than method. But first question rises is what is ogive or ogive? If we form the cumulative frequency and plot these along the vertical line at the exact upper limits of the class interval marked along the horizontal axis and join the plotted points by means of a freehand curve, we get a curve which is called cumulative frequency curve or ogive curve. With starting with Lazen method. What is the Lazen method? The ogive is cumulated upward in Lazen method. It is basically going to upward direction. In this method, scale the cumulative frequency along the y-axis and the exact upper limit along the x-axis. The scale along the y-axis should be such as may accommodate by the total frequency. Plot these points on a graph and join then to get the less ogive curve. We'll start this method by having an example. The weight of tea in 70 packets are shown in the following table. Here, the weight of the tea packets are 200 to 201, 201 to 202, 202 to 203, till 205 to 206. This is given in grams. Here, number of packets for each interval are also given. In first interval, we have value of 13 packets. In second, 27, 18, 10, 1 and 1. We will prepare a less than type table now. To prepare less than type table, we need to have a cumulative frequency. For cumulative frequency, we will start the table by writing weight in first column, number of packets in second column. And because the least or we can say the first interval have a lower limit of 200. So we will start with 200. Here the starting point is less than 200. For less than 200 we always write 0 because it has no values. Our interval starts with 200 to 201. So below 200 or less than 200 there is no value. So we will write 0 packets. Less than 201. Less than 200 we have 13 packets. We will write our first frequency which is 13. So here is a 13 packets. Then less than 202. In less than 202 we add all the above frequencies, that means 13 and 0 plus the given frequency in that interval 201 to 202, that is 27. So here we have the value 40. 13 plus 27 is 40. Right? Now the next value is less than 203. So value in that particular interval and all the above values should be added. So it comes 58. When we add 40, it comes 58. The next is less than 204. In 204 we have the value 68. Add 58 plus 10 equals to 68. And next we have 69 because we have value 1 packet in interval 204 to 205, and last value is 70, which is the sum of total frequency or sum of total number of packets. In this table we need to do is write down first frequency as 0 because it has lower limit 200, and less than 200 all the frequencies are 0. First frequency as it is, and then add all the frequencies which comes in that particular interval with above intervals. All the frequencies write down here. This is called cumulative frequency of less than type table. Now we will make a more than type table. Then we will solve this particular question. Now we will make more than type table. For this table, in first column we will write weight in grams, and in second column number of packets. Here the lower limit is 200 because 200 is the lower limit. We will start from 200. We'll write here more than or equal to the lower limit, which is 200, and for this value we have 70 packets, or the sum of the frequency. We'll write sum of the frequency here. Here's a smallest trick, or you can say easiest way to find or to write more than type table. We'll start from below section. Here more than or equal to 206 is the largest frequency given in the table. So because we have started from more than or equal to 200, firstly prepare a more than or equal to table on the left side or in the first column, because we have 200 to 201 interval, 200 to 202 interval. So we will write more than or equal to 200, more than or equal to 201, more than or equal to 202, more than or equal to 203, 204, 205 and 206. We'll start from 206 because we have last interval 205 to 206, so we don't have any value above 206. Here we will write 0 for this value, and in the table we have 205 to 206 column, the value is 1, so we will write 1 in more than or equal to 205 section. Now we will add in the upper direction all the frequency. Like in less than table we have less than table we have added from upper to downward direction. So it is 1. Now next is 2, because in 204 and 205 section we have value 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Next value is 12. We have value 10 in 203 to 204 interval. The next value is 30 and last value is 57 and the highest value is 70. So basically we have started from the last interval or last point. We write first term as 0, then first frequency as it is, then added in the upper direction, and we'll get more than type table. Now we will solve it on the graph. Now we draw the less than type and more than type ogive in the graph. So here we have a graph in which this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Here we denote all the upper limits on the x-axis and the cumulative frequency in y-axis. Here we will show the less than type ogive and more than type ogive. For less than type ogive, we plot all the points from the table, less than type table. We have first point 200 and 0. So we'll plot 200 and 0 on the table. Next point is 201 and 13. So 201 from x axis and 13 from y axis. So we get 201 and 13. Next point is 202 and 40. So from x-axis 202 and from y-axis 40. Next point is 203 and 58. Next 204, 68, 205 and 69, 206 and 70. We plot all the points on the paper, graph paper, and join by a freehand. Now to find upper, or we can say more than type ogive, we plot all the points from the more than type table. We have first value 270. So we plot 200 in x-axis and 70 from y-axis. Next value is 201 and 57. So we plot 201 and 57. Next is 202, 30. Next 203 and 12. Similarly 204 and 2, 205 and 1, 206 and 0. So we plot all the points from more than type table on the graph paper and join them by freehand. So we get more than type ogive and less than type ogive. This is the less than type ogive and this is the more than type ogive. Here n is 70. So we will find n by 2, which is 70 by 2, which is 35. Now we have the value 35. We will draw a line parallel to x-axis on the point 35 and meets the curve at point A. Let it meets at the curve at point A and draw perpendicular from the point A to the x-axis. Where this line meets the x-axis, the point coordinate is the median. So we will draw the line from here to the x-axis and we get our median. So here we have median 201.5 from x-axis. Here from x-axis we have median 201.5.